Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use symmetry command in CATIA. How do work symmetry command in CATIA and guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 50 and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today symmetry command is discussed here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this body is 3D. Okay, this zoom here. Okay, and this body is, you can see here, this 3D body is drawing here, and this body and use a symmetry command. Okay, this is our symmetry command and use in this body, use in CATIA. Okay, yes, and symmetry definition is this reference point. Any face is click here, this face is reference point, and you can see here preview is showing here, and this is a symmetry. Okay, and opposite side is a click here, and this point is a opposite side. This face is opposite is this body is opposite side, preview is showing here, and you can easily say here. Okay, you can easily say here this body is opposite size is a preview is showing here. Okay, this body and this body is a opposite size. Okay, this body is this is a opposite. Okay, and again this body is a click here, and this body is a okay, and again this body is a okay, this is a back side, and click here, then this body is a front side. Okay, front side is a preview is showing here. Okay, this body click a back side and show here a preview is, you can see here is front side. Okay, 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 and this body is a also this is a back side, and you can see here this body click here, and this is a front side. Okay, guys, CATIA lecture 50 is discussed here, and I hope okay guys, symmetry command is discussed here, and you can easily learn, and okay, and guys, CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, and symmetry commands is also learn easily, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.